Hey future tech wizards, welcome back to HackerKID's Let's Learn series, and today let me ask you a question. Have you played with Legos? So when we play with Lego, we stack one on top of another and create something amazing, right? Well, in today's video we are going to learn something very similar but in the world of technology, which is called blockchain. So let's go. Imagine each Lego block is a piece of information. Once you add a block on top, it stays there forever locked and you cannot change the information that's already stored inside it. Well, think of it as a diary where every page is a record of something really important. Once you write on a page and number it, you cannot go back and erase it. Instead, you add a new page with a new entry. Each page connects to the previous one just like the blocks of a blockchain. Wait, what if someone wants to change something? Well, it's impossible because blockchain is very secure. Once a block is added, it is secured with a special key which makes it impossible to edit or remove. So guess what? Everyone wants the same diary. And if someone wants to cheat and change, the others will know immediately, and that is why blockchain is trusted by so many. Blockchain is used for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, digital collectibles called NFTs, and even smart contracts that work without a middleman. Cool, right? So next time you hear about blockchain, imagine a big Lego that stores the piece of information which is very secure and unchangeable. And for more such fun videos, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. See you in the part 2.